Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Savage. I'm back here for part two of our Google Classroom tutorial. When you are on this home screen, I'm actually logged in as Vinny again, so I can show you what it looks like on the kid end because it's a little different than mine. So you're going to click on your waffle and you're going to go to Classroom. You'll do this every day. I'm assigning you about 2 hours of work to do that needs to be done by the end of the day. Click on Mrs. Savage's classroom, and instead of stream this time, we're going to go to classwork. So we're going to practice creating an assignment to attach. Here is the assignment for today, pretend assignment for the sample purposes. We're going to practice creating and attaching an assignment. So you're going to click on it, go to view assignment. Now we have to create this assignment. So we need to go over here to your work and we have to push this add or create button. If you already had a file that you wanted to attach that you've already created in Google, you would use one of these top ones. But if it's brand new, we're going to go to create new docs. And you'll see if you want to do some other kind of one other Google program you can, but we're going to click on docs. This is going, excuse me, to create a Google document. And the nice part about it is it names it for you and it gives it the name of the assignment. So this is just a sample. This is just a practice. So the assignment is the pretend assignment is to write some sentences about what you did over the weekend. I'm just going to hit sample to save time. When I'm done with that and I want to turn this in via Classroom, I would hit this button, turn in. Okay. So this is going to look different because for some reason it keeps bumping over back into me as the teacher. But when the kids do this, they'll hit turn in and they'll get a screen that says, do you really want to turn it in? They should click yes, turn in, and then it will get turned in. When I go in as the teacher, I can see who turned something in by this screen. I was logged in under Vinny. So when I go in, I can see what he turned in, and it was just the document we created called sample. And that is not actually Vinny, that is me in there. So that is how creating assignments works. Let's go out of these and back into here. So you may also want to, here's that turn in button. Say you already had a document that you wanted to share. And it was in your Google Drive, which is something in Docs. So I'm just going to pick a random assignment that we have done. Here's something that Vinny has, use each word in a sentence. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to click add. And you'll see it puts it up there in the list. If you have multiple documents and some of them are correct and some of them are the wrong thing, you can always hit this X here, and then you would always go back and click the turn in button. Okay, I'm going to go back and I'm going to delete both of these because this was just a sample. So that is creating a document. Okay, see you in part 3.